The Penveu can be operated in two modes, mouse mode or pen mode, selected by the pen button. When in mouse mode, the two upper buttons operate as left mouse and right mouse buttons. The scroll bar operates as the scroll wheel. The left lower button operates as an undo or back button, while the lower right button operates to capture the current displayed image. Holding the device as a pen and either pressing the grips between your fingers or touching the display screen with the tip will also operate as a left mouse button and activate whatever will be activated by that button. When in pen mode, the two lower buttons operate just like in mouse mode: undo or back and image capture. Tapping the scroll bar allows you to change the writing tool between pen, highlighter, and eraser. Sliding the scroll bar allows you to change the color of the tool you chose for the pen or highlighter. The grip buttons, when held as a pen, allow you to write when you press them from a distance. And when touching the board with the tip to write, the amount of pressure applied to the grips will affect the line width. The more you press, the thicker the line will be. Pressing the top left button will also activate the pen and write. Pressing the menu button, top right, will launch the user menu, which will be discussed next. There are three virtual wheels that control the different features. At any point in time, the blue wheel is the one that will be affected by the scroll wheel or the pointer. Tapping the scroll bar will highlight the next wheel to the right for a certain function, while pressing the undo button, the lower left one, will highlight the previous wheel to the left. The first function is the pen function, which selects the pen tool. The second wheel selects one of 9 colors, and the third wheel selects the basic thickness. The thickness can be controlled to up to twice the basic thickness by pressing the grips harder. Changing the menu function in the selected or blue wheel can be accomplished either by sliding the scroll wheel or by using the pointer. The next function on the first wheel is the selection of a highlighter. The highlighter has 6 colors and 2 line thicknesses. The eraser function has 2 options, a thin or a thick eraser. The next menu function allows you to clear everything written on the board while keeping the background. To avoid inadvertent clearing, you will need to move the next wheel to yes. Normally, everything you write is on top of the background generated by the computer source, which could be a PC, Mac, iPad, iPod, iPhone, or any other source of a VGA signal. However, you can add a custom-made whiteboard image on top of the computer-generated background to focus on writing. Several whiteboard backgrounds are available. None means the background will be whatever the computer provides, as if the board is transparent. White will show a completely white board. Green will show an authentic green board, and black will show an authentic black board. For each of the boards, you can select lines, matrix, or grid to make writing easier. Finally, you have the ability to save your work, or work in progress, in the device. The default will be to save without clearing your work. However, you can also save and clear your work at the same time. Retrieving your work is done by selecting the Load function. The second wheel will show a chronological list of all images stored, with the last one on top. Under the second wheel is a window that shows a thumbnail image of each one, allowing you to view the image or delete it. The Penveu system is capable of saving 1,000 images, so the second virtual wheel can be somewhat very large. Once you retrieve your previous work, you can continue from where you left off, and even erase what you've done before. As you can see, the user interface is very simple and intuitive. We hope you enjoy using Penveu.